Hello guys, welcome to our channel Saggy Skills. Guys, as you know, we are creating a small project and we are using CSS and HTML tag for practice purpose. In our previous video, we have designed product list. In this video, we are going to create footer area. So my name is Shahban Ali. So let's start without wasting time. So guys, in our previous video, we have designed all these things. In last video, we have designed like products gallery section. We have added all these images in our previous video and we have added this news section, and as you can see here, this paragraph is going up automatically in like animations. So we have used the marquee tab for it. Today in this video we are going to create footer section. So for that, let's go to HTML file, and guys, before do it, I would like to tell you how we can comment in HTML. So for example, if you are working in any team, in any company, and you want to tell any other employee like what's going here, and this div for what closing, this div of which closing, and what's going on here. So all these things, if you want to tell another employee, he will understand what's going on. So you can write message here, and what is the way to write it? Just open bracket and exclamation and a dash dash, and right here like I'm writing here start footer here, and just close it. So this message is just only for to show and just only for to tell to employee, another employee, that's what's going on here, what's going on here. So guys, let's create here as one div row for footer, div class row footer. I have given this name, you can give your own name, anything. So let's copy it and design it. So copy it, copy it, go to CSS file and here put dot and paste it. Sorry, I have double pasted. Copy it and go to CSS file and paste it here and open bracket. So let's give width. I would like to it full scale, so I'm giving 100% width, and height should be 350 pixels. And guys, background color, so guys, here I am giving colors from my own choice and I will choose the color from the Google. So you can use it from the Google, it's very easy. So for that, what we can do, go to Google, open here, right here color code picker, right here color code picker, and you can see here we have the color palette. So now if I drag my mouse here anywhere, so it's showing me the code, hexa code here. This code you can use in your HTML tags like this. If I want to use this color, so I would like to use this color. Okay, so I have chosen this color, so this color has the hexa code this. So just copy it, go to CSS file and paste it here, background color, and with semicolon, and make it float left. Control S guys, and go to again HTML file and write one heading or something here, or just give it a border, like no border, no need to border with this. So write one heading H2 our services. Control S, go to browser, check it, close it, all the tags you see here. You see this is our heading and this is our footer, and this color I have given from the Google right now, as you see right now before. So guys, now let's create 3 columns inside this row, and in every columns we will put some content. So for that, what we have to do, create here one div and ID. I'm giving the call one footer. This is the name I have given. You can give your own name, whatever you want. Just copy it, go to CSS file, come here and put hash and paste the name and open bracket. Let's give width should be 350 pixels and height should be 350 pixels, and border should be 1 pixel, solid red, solid white. Okay guys, and float it left. Control S, go to browser, check it. There is nothing happen here because we have to put some content inside this here. So here I'm creating li, and if you don't know how to use li and what is li, you can watch our previous video, so you will understand what is this. In our previous videos like CSS or HTML series, we have teach everything. Open a href and just close it and write here products, and just copy it again. For saving time, I'm just copy paste here, paste, 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 and change the name services and countries, and guys here warehouse, and here we can see like our link. Okay guys, and here you can write materials. Okay guys, Control S, go to browser, check it. So you can see here we have our one div, and inside this div there is a li. So let's style it. So first of all, go to copy it, whole footer name, copy, go to CSS. Already we have this, okay, no problem. So for that, just so first of all, what we have to do, we have to design this li which we have created here, this. So let's style it. Go to Pro CSS file, here write li and a color white, okay, and text decoration none. Control S, go to browser, check it. So you can see now we have these menus here. So you can see here there is a dot 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 coming here. So we don't want this style, so list style none. We want to like li, open it, list style none. Control S. So you can see the dotted has been removed. So but if you want to make it center, so just simply come here and write here in the column one footer and text align center. So whatever the content we will write in this column, it will be center automatically. You can see here, but it's not looking well, so we have to give some margin on the top, so it will be like spreading, so it will be spread a little bit. So for that, in the li section, give it a margin top 20 pixels. Let's see what happened. So you can see now it's looking better. So guys, if I take my mouse on this, we should change its color. This product, services, all these li should change the color whenever I takes, like if I want to hover on it, so it should change its color. So for that, what we have to do, come here, li hover. When I will hover on the any li, so it should change its a color. A means alphabet, anchor, and open bracket, color should be oranged, and Control S, go to browser. See guys, now as I'm taking my mouse, I'm hovering my mouse on it, so it's changing its color. It's looking nice now. Okay, if you want to change the font families, you can change font family, like here li a font family Verdana and semicolon, closes. You can see it's changed, it has been changed its font family. Now guys, what I will have to do, so I would like to create two divs more here beside it, yani two columns. So for that, come HTML5, copy it for saving time, and just paste it here again and paste it here, and just remove the li. We don't need more at all. We will write something another in these divs. Control S, go to browser, check it. So guys, you can see we have now 3 columns here. So let's make some style or design for this. Come here in the div and give it to margin left 30 pixels. Let's see how much comes. Yeah, it's okay, but we need little more, 50. Yeah, exactly guys, it's good. And now just remove this heading because we don't want this heading, it's not looking well here. So for that, just remove this heading to Control S and see. You can see now our divs here. So let's make more stylish all these divs. So for that, come CSS file and remove border. Instead of border, we are using box shadow. Box shadow 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 2 pixels, and 2 pixels or red. Control S, go to browser, check it. Yeah guys, you can see there is a shadow backside this. So let's make a little spread these shadows. So for that, just instead of here, write 33. Control S, go to browser. So guys, you can see we have blurring and way too much spread our shadow in this, and it's looking very well. All these things we have teach you already in our previous video. If you don't know how to use box shadow, how to use border and all these things, you can watch that videos, then after you will understand this very easily. So now guys, I will put some content in another div. So here just write heading to reach us easily. Okay guys, Control S, go to browser, check it. Yeah, you can see it's our heading here. Let's change the color of heading. So here I will write, so whatever we will write in this column, the color should be white. So color white. So you can see now our heading color is white. So let's write your address here in this column. So for that, what you have to do, come here, open paragraph and write address, and here then again give here beer brick, yani next line, then write here anything like Clement Town UK Park, and then write something phone, randomly anything, and then email like our email sag advertise public1@gmail.com. By the way, this is our email address of our channel. So comma and the website web www.sagservices.com. sags, it's a sag service, it's our website. So guys, we have created some content here. So let's save it and go to browsers. So you can see here we have our address in this column. In next column we have to put something another like countries, or some you can put some like image or something if you would like to. So guys, in this video that's all, and in the next video we will continue this column, so that I don't want you become bored and you just feel tired. So it's enough for today. You can practice it, and just don't forget to watch next video. Thank you.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and like, and if you want more updates from our channel, so subscribe our channel. Thank you.